Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about how to create regional inventory feed. So let's get started. I'm going to click on create feed. In feed types, you have two options here. The first one is local inventory and the second one is regional inventory. For creating the local inventory feed, you must have Google My Business profile. But right now, I'm going to create a regional inventory, so I'm selecting this option. Here you have to select your primary online feed. I'm selecting France, and then you have to enter your feed name, and here you have to paste the region ID and you will get it from Google Merchant Center account. So let's move to it. You can see region section is not showing here. This business profile is required for local inventory feed, but for adding region section, let's click on add-ons, and here you have to add the regions. Click on add. So finally, you can see region section has been added here. Here you have to create your region ID, provide your region name and select your target country. Let's suppose I'm providing this region ID and I'm setting it for New York. Now let's navigate to ChatGPT. And here you have to paste the zip codes for New York. Coming back here, you have to select the country and then here you have to paste those zip codes. You can see postal codes have been added here. So finally, our region is now added to Google Merchant Center account. And from here you will get the region ID that you have to paste in our app. So copy the region ID and you have to paste it here. After that, you have to select the availability status. I'm selecting in stock, and then you have to enable sale price if you want. And you can also set the start and end date, but right now I'm not selecting them and clicking on create feed. So finally, you can see our regional inventory feed has been created now. And no app provides this feature except Wixpa Google Shopping feed. So stay tuned with us for more information and don't forget to share your feedback with us regarding our app. Thank you for watching this video.